Hello everybody, welcome to the Technical Tech. This video is a part of Upwork playlist and we will be uploading more content in this playlist regarding Upwork. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get updated. In this first video, we will start with creating an Upwork account. So first head into the Upwork website and create an account. Go to the sign up section. And here choose I am a freelancer looking for a work and apply as a freelancer. So provide all the necessary information that are requested in this page. Firstly, the first name and an email ID. And you need to create a strong password. And select a country. And you could also opt this out, and you need to select this and create my account. So the Upwork account has been created and we need to verify the email, and after the verification of email only we can proceed further. And after the verification is complete, you will see somewhat like this, and you can also upload your files directly from the LinkedIn, or you can also upload your resume file like in CSV or in Word, and you can also fill it manually, which on an average takes like 15 minutes. So we'll be filling it manually. So the first thing is to your profession or role. So I'll just write mobile application developer. And continue. Next, add your experience. So if you have any experience, then you can add in this section. I'll just skip it for now. And you can also add about educations. I will be skipping this for now as we are only creating an Upwork account. And regarding the experience and the education sections, we will be covering these sections in the later part of this playlist. And certifications, we will skip this too. And let's have this as you can select this as you preferred. I'll just go with the fluent, and you can also add more languages with this. And so you can add your skill sets in these sections, which will help the client to reach up to you looking for the specific skill sets. You can add more. You can add up to 15, maximum 15 skills. Now great, now write a bio to tell. So you can just write something like, here it's given some kind of example. So let's write something here. Application developer working this. So something like this. And what are the main services do you offer? So select IT, select mobile development here, You can select any of these section and continue next, and you can specify your hourly rate. I will just keep it 25. You can set it any, okay, you can set it 5 minimum, or you can set it even 100 or 100 plus. And if you are just starting, I suggest you to go with 5 to 15. It will be best. And if you are mid range, then you can go for 25 to 30 and so on. So I'll just set it for 20 right now, and just upload your image. I'll just select this, attach. Okay, country is already selected, and just a random street name here. You can give it yours, and city like select Kathmandu. Okay, and you can provide your number too. Okay, check your profile, and you are good to go. So you can create your Upwork account, and that's it for this video. We'll be covering more sections of the Upwork, like we'll be adding more experience, and we'll be verifying this account, and also we'll be creating a good bio, and also we'll be providing a good skill sets, experience, and lots of things regarding the Upwork. And we'll also be uploading a video containing how you can bid a proposal. So that's it, guys.